Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for May 28, 2024. What's this about? It's about correlations. So on the left is the Dow Jones Commodity Index, a basket of commodities like crude oil. And on the right is the TLT, the 20-year bond. So what happened in here is the higher this goes on the left, the less likely it is that this is going to have a break up. So a break up. So when that happens, the interest rate sensitive indexes have a habit of leading to the downside. That's what happened today with the Russell. That's what happened with the XBI, the biotech index. On the other hand, and this is why we didn't buy the XBI in the opening, because the commodities were up and the TLT was down. On the other hand, if you're intraday trading and you're watching the overall market thinking it's going to have another leg down, just keep in mind that if the thing that made it go down earlier, which is trend lines and also the bonds and also the Russell, if the Russell index starts rallying like it did, then it's less likely the ES has another leg to the downside. As you see, that worked. How about the XBI? Same thing. Boy, that went straight up. And you're not going to have the whole market crack when that happens. You're not going to have it crack when the manic NASDAQ keeps going up. And that's exactly what happened. Now, don't get me wrong. We made money right here on the way down. But then the play was over. So where do you go now with the markets? Well, you still have the bond markets in the tank. You take a daily chart, and the bond market that looked like a possible bull flag appears to be failing. And this bull flag is less likely to work if the Dow Jones Commodity Index is doing that. Now what matters are the manic trades, the GMEs, the hoods. Are they enough momentum to keep the Russell up? I'm not sure about that, but that's what we'll be watching tomorrow. So tomorrow, there's no reason we can't play the stocks that capitalize on mania. That would be the hoods of the world, the GMEs of the world. We can even play the NVIDIA both ways, up and down. But I'll tell you right now, if we even think of playing NVIDIA on the downside, it's got to be tiny little trades intraday. Because even on a 15-minute chart, this doesn't show signs of breaking yet. So we can only do it on an ultra short-term chart. Now, on the long side, the GMEs of the world, the hoods of the world, the Coinbase of the world, the Reddits of the world, we're going to stay with that theme and buy them on dips, especially if we see bull flags intraday. How about VKTX? That even started to have a move today. Now, keep in mind that something like Viking is all the way on the low. There's no reason it can't go back to 70, and we'll try to play it. We'll try to play all of these tomorrow. That's how I want to play tomorrow, about buying the slop. That's how we're going to go. As long as the bonds are still down on the upper left, then I'm going to only look at the speculative stocks on the long side. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.